Hi, on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a website on Weebly website. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you or you have it in your PC. As an example, you have the Microsoft Edge, the Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So just go to that browser, and once it's opened, you will have to go to this URL section and simply type weebly.com and hit the enter button, and that will take you directly to the Weebly home screen or main screen website. So here you will have, of course, to log in into your account if you have one by clicking at this login at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you will have to fill your email, your username, then of course enter your password. Or you can log in with your Facebook, Google, or even Square. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click instead of login into sign up at the top right corner again. And if you click on it, as you can see here, you will have to enter all this informations: first name, email, last name, confirm your email, create a password, then the local. Agree to their term of service. Then, of course, click at continue and you will have successfully created your account. So if you just created your account, they'll ask you, what kind of website would you like to create? And you need a website or a website with online store. So for you, choose whatever suits you. For me, as an example, I just need a website. And here, of course, you'll have to choose a theme and etc. and go through all of this alone if you want. And you will be good to go. So once you have your website ready, you'll have to publish your website, of course, in a web domain that you already have, or you can just go and buy one. You'll be good to go. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to make a website. So as we already showed you, once you choose a theme, that will create your website directly, and you can edit it from here. And let's just click on edit site at the top corner or top right corner. And here we can edit whatever we want in our site. And once we finish editing, simply go and hit this publish button after you entered your domain name to publish on it, and you'll be good to go. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.